Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Danish here. In this video, I am going to discuss about calculus. We discussed many aspects in the previous videos like differentiation, integration, what is chain rule, what is product rule, what is quotient rule. All these aspects we discussed. And one more thing, before coming into the calculus part, I want to, tell you, I will be coming up with more videos on data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, deep learning, machine learning math, mainly statistics, probability, calculus, linear algebra. Please subscribe my channel. Okay, let's start. We will start with calculus. And one important thing, calculus is introduced by Newton and Leibniz. This we already discussed. These two scientists only introduced calculus. When you differentiate calculus, there are two sections. One is the differentiation and another one is the integration. So what is differentiation and what is integration? All these aspects we discussed in the previous videos. Please watch the videos. When you differentiate a function, you will get the derivative of that function. When you integrate, you will get the integral of that function. When you integrate, you will get integral. So there are two aspects. One is the differentiation and another one is the integration. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the derivatives of trigonometric functions. Trigonometric functions, you are familiar. We have trigonometric functions like sine, you know it, cos, you know it, tan, you know it, cosec, sec, cosec, sec and cot. These are all the 6 trigonometric functions you have. See, cosec is the reciprocal of sine, sec is the reciprocal of cos, and cot is the reciprocal of tan. You know this. So what would be the derivatives of these trigonometric functions? This is very important from a machine learning perspective. Differentiation is really important. When you differentiate, you will get the derivatives of these functions, derivatives. So first I am going to discuss about the derivative of sine. See, d by dx of sine, it is cos. For example, what is the derivative of sine x? It is cos x. Simple. This is the derivative of sine. Sine x, it is cos x. Next up, it is what is the derivative of d by dx of cos x. See, d by dx, it's an operator which shows differentiation like plus, minus, or multiplication or division. D by dx, it's an operator. D by dx of cos x, it is minus sin x. This is the second trigonometric function. The derivative of cos x, it is minus sin x. Then I am getting into sine, cos, tan. So if you want the familiarity with product rule or quotient rule, I can prove it. See, d by dx of tan x, it is sec square x. Sec square x. This I can prove you because you will be familiar with the quotient rule as well. In differentiation, there are 2 important rules. There are 3 important rules I can tell you. That is, one is the product rule, then quotient rule, then chain rule, then logarithmic differentiation. All these rules are important. I can write it here. Product rule, quotient rule, then chain rule, then logarithmic differentiation. All these very important. In this rules we covered. Product rule we covered in the previous videos. Quotient rule we covered. Chain rule we covered. You can watch the previous videos. Logarithmic differentiation will be discussing in the next video. You can watch it. See, product rule, I can tell you, this is the, what is the derivative of a product. See, I am using this quotient rule so that you will be familiar with that rule as well. See, the product rule is d by dx of a product uv will be equal to u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is the product rule. Then what is quotient rule? It is for a quotient, that is d by dx of u y b, the division. Here it is multiplication. This is, you need to understand, u is the numerator and v is the denominator. Here v into du by dx, this is u, this is v, you need to understand, v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx, the whole divided by v square. This is the quotient rule we already discussed. So these two rules you are familiar. Now I am going to see, I told you I will give you the proof. I told you d by dx of tan x is equal to 6 square x. This I will prove it for you. It is 6 square x. How I prove it is, d by dx of tan x, I can write it as tan x. In school classes you learned it is d by dx of tan x means sin x divided by cos x. So I can apply the quotient rule. It is a fraction, sin x by cos x. The formula is, as I discussed, it is v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. Here sin x is u and cos x is v. So v into du by dx. So it would be v, that is cos x, into du by dx. That means derivative of sin x, du by dx. That is again into cos x. In the formula then minus v into du by dx minus u is again sin x, u into dv by dx, sin x into dv by dx, derivative of cos x, again minus sin x, the whole divided by v square. V square means cos square x. You need to understand, cos square x and cos x square are different. Cos x, the whole square is cos square x. Cos x square means it is the square of the angle in front of cos. That is different. This is the square of cos x. Square of cos x is cos square x. Fine. This is cos x into cos x. Again, it is cos x into cos x. Again, it is cos square x. So it would be cos square x plus minus into minus plus, then sin x into sin x, it is sin square x divided by cos square x. What is cos square x plus sin square x? In trigonometry, you know it. Sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So I can write it as this as 1 divided by cos square x. So what is 1 by cos x? The reciprocal of cos x is sec x. So 1 by cos square x is sec square x. So this is the proof. That is, the derivative of tan x is sec square x. So you understood what is quotient rule and how you can apply it as well. So we discussed the derivatives of sin x, then cos x, then tan x. Now I am going to write the derivative of d by dx of sin, cos, tan, cosec x. So cosec x is minus cosec x cot x minus cosec x cot x. That is the derivative of cosec x minus cosec x cot x. Then sin, cos, tan, cosec. Now I am writing the derivative of sec x, d by dx of sec x, that is sec x into tan x. This is multiplication only, sec x into tan x, cosec, sec, now cot. So next is derivative of d by dx of cot x. Cot x is cosec x, derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x cot x, right? Cot x, it is minus cosec square x, minus cosec square x. So derivative of sin x, cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x, derivative of tan x, sec square x, derivative of cosec x minus cosec x cot x, derivative of sec x tan x, derivative of cot x, this is cot only, this is cot, okay, derivative of cot x, derivative of cot x minus cosec square x. So we covered all the derivatives of trigonometric functions. Even I used a quotient rule to prove the derivative of tan x. So thanks for watching. So I will be coming up with more videos on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and machine learning math like probability, statistics, calculus, linear algebra. Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.